Parents for our third runners-up, Valin Greg Dibolosan and Saisha Alea Arena.
Think of all the fun I missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be so good and you.
To impose the crowns to our Yuletide Prince and Princess 2023, may I request our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Angeles Z. Butay. A round of applause, please. Grade 12 of Grade 10, Aquamarine, Jordan and Dada. Okay, tickets are available. Tickets available sir. Pwede ba siya kumanin? Bangon na mo sa mga tickets, samot na sa free. We have Glenn Samantha Romo, ticket number 0417.
Nida Flora. Magnida Flora.
The parents for the second runners-up, Ranchen Abayan and Althea Marie Roblen.